that I wanted to share was that this, and just keep on record that this was the very first page that I made. And as a reminder, I said just start and write the blank page, because I was at that point where I was just staring at the page and not getting started, and I've got everything that I need already. And this page represents the most imperfect me. And yeah, it just says dream big. We were all born with wings in terms of doubt. We have to spread them and decided to put a little butterfly inside them. Experimented with inks, with gesso, with some yeah water splatter, white splatter. As you can see, it didn't really, but I tried with the orange patches. And yeah, this was my first page. And moving along, I've already prepared the next third one, and this is my second page. And yeah, just really going in with layers. After I prepared the page, I did some mindful journaling. So you'll see some of the journaling here in the background in some spots. I went in with some inks. I went in with the gesso stenciling, just a lot of sentiments. Each layer holds a part of my story. I embrace curiosity over perfection, and these pages are really around. One of my friends commented that it looks like a masterboard, and this actually looks like a masterboard, something that I could cut up and make tags with. But yeah, I wanted to share that these stripes was put in last night, and I just left it to dry. So what I'll do, I'll probably put one layer of gesso over here just to hold everything together. It already has that shine from the Mod Podge, but I think it's not too bad for a second page. And yeah, that is what I really wanted to share. So progress over perfection every day. This page took me about 45 minutes, and yeah, I think next time I will do better with the images that I use, the images versus images that I grabbed. And I didn't put a lot of thought to it, because I want these initial pages to just show that the beginning stages of where I'm at in terms of my art journaling. But I really enjoyed this process. So tell me, what do you think? If you are good and you already have an art journaling practice, tell me what you think of these. And yeah, so I will continue on to my third page, following the exact same steps. I actually wrote the steps down. My plan is to make a one pager so that you are also able to do the same. So this was my second page, and I am super proud and super excited, and just glad that I went about and did it. While in the process, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to give up, because as you can see, the gesso stenciling did not come out. In fact, I was looking for my round stencil, I couldn't find it, and I had to use a different pattern. It didn't come out the way I wanted to do it. But also, one of the biggest things for me is letting every layer dry, and that is where I lost it, because I wanted to finish the page. And maybe that is the lesson that we need to learn out of all of this, is that it's not about finishing the page, it's about enjoying the process.